Our first full year at the one-man stream channel is coming to a close, and it's been both fun and eye-opening. We released 51 tutorials and covered a wide variety of topics. The primary focus to this point has been Vmix and vMix UTC. We began with the many building blocks of UTC, the widgets, then demonstrated how to use automation in your production workflow by leveraging the power of Vmix UTC. We discussed a couple different kinds of data sources, mainly Excel spreadsheets and Google Sheets, and we created several different graphics including basketball, baseball, football, soccer, and also a game day scoreboard. We touched on how to use masking and gradients in GT Title Designer and how to manipulate text color and background color. Several episodes were dedicated to vMix and vMix UTC Replay, and we included one episode on how to use an Elgato Stream Deck to control replay via vMix UTC. Next year we will continue to expand on these topics and begin discussing remote production. With remote production, we will dive into some new softwares including BirdDog Cloud, BitFocus Companion, and Central Control. When I posted the first tutorial over a year ago, I had no idea how it would be received or if even anyone would watch it. Our growth has been steady, and as I record this today, we are close to 1,600 subscribers. Thank you to all that have liked and subscribed, and to those that have left comments and requests. I look forward to the future and growing this channel with you. So during the holiday season, I wanted to take just a moment to say thank you and have a safe and happy holiday season wherever you are and however you celebrate. I do have one small request though. Please, in the comments section of this video, if you take just a moment to type your name and where you're from so that we can get an idea of the scope and reach of the One Man Stream channel. Happy holidays, and as always, thank you.